Good afternoon. You should have eaten your lunch and you are ready to work for the afternoon. So right after lunch, every day we will have our afternoon self-start. So this is our DLR, or our fact of the day. Every afternoon after lunch, you will begin your fact of the day. Open up your Language Arts Google Classroom. Go to classwork. Under the topic fact of the day, click on August. It will look like this, and as you click down, it will say August 24th because that's the day that we started today. And then here is where you will type in your fact of the day. And tomorrow it will be August 25th, and here is where you will type in your fact of the day. All right, you are going to copy what you will see on your screen. So you're going to have to take your fact of the day video every day, and you're going to have to pause it. You're going to have to start the video, then you're going to have to pause it and type in what is written on your screen. Now, what is written on your screen is incorrect, so you have to correctly type it in. All right, so we're going to go through the first one together. When you get to the passage, you're going to pause the video and copy the passage on the slide under August 24th. Now remember, the fact is written incorrectly. Make the corrections as you copy it down. So here is what you're going to be typing. So it says Mount Vesuvius erupted on August 24th in AD 79. It destroyed the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Around 20,000 people were killed in the eruption. So you will want to pause this. You will want to copy it, putting in all the proper punctuation and all of the proper capitalization, and sometimes even the proper spelling. After you have done this, then you're going to move on, and I have included some history about the fact that we just talked about. So here is the history.
My Utah is a tough trail and a smooth mortgage.
My Utah is catching a cutthroat and saving for my future.
Here is your passage again, just in case you missed it the first time. We will come back to this later today or first thing tomorrow morning to show you what your corrections are or what your corrected passage should look like.